A little sweet, a little salty, these teriyaki salmon lettuce wraps are going to offer you a perfect balance in a handheld package. And all you have to do is make that sweet teriyaki sauce, air fry the salmon, and then put it all together. Into the saucepan, we're going to add some soy sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, a few garlic cloves, fresh ginger, salt, pepper, and let that come to a boil. Now let's make a slurry using cornstarch and equal part water. Drizzle it all throughout. Watch how the teriyaki sauce becomes thick, silky, and smooth. Perfect for a salmon. Speaking of salmon, let's talk about the quality of salmon you're looking for. You want to look for quality Atlantic salmon fillets. This one is by MOWI, and you can check out its qualities just by looking at the marbling throughout. We're going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper and pop it into an air fryer. Now I like using an air fryer with my salmon because it crisps up on the outside and allows it to be moist on the inside, and best of all, it cooks in record time. Okay, let's put this all together using Bib lettuce. That's going to be our salmon wrap. And what's good about Bib lettuce or Boston lettuce is that it kind of offers you this kind of cup to put the rice, the salmon, and the sauce on top of it. A little garnish of green onions and pickled ginger. If you're looking to entertain with the most extraordinary salmon recipe, this is it.